Hello, future artists, and welcome to the Masterful Voice. Let me start off by saying what this is and what this video series is not. This video series will discuss different techniques and ways to improve and strengthen your voice. We will cover vocal techniques that strengthen not only the voice itself, but also the muscles that incorporate voice in general. We are also going to cover different genres and how to sing them masterfully. This video, however, is not designed to help you match pitch. This video was also not designed for sight singing, ear training, music preparation, music history. Of the 5 techniques in mastering music, we are only covering vocal technique here in this series. So if you can sing along to your favorite songs, if you can sing a major, minor, and or a chromatic scale, bonus, if you can sing a third or fifth above your favorite song's melody, that, my fellow artists, is the starting line in this series. So what does it actually mean to be masterful with the voice? I think every prolific artist and pedagogue would have a different explanation of it. As an everyday educator and current performer myself, a masterful voice is one that is experienced enough to manipulate their voice for any genre of music, their techniques included. So if you're planning on singing country, you're gonna need breath support, and that's for any genre. So that's your A1, your day one, your ride or die. Breath support is gonna be everything for you, okay? And we'll talk about that in the videos to come. You'll also need things like country twang, which is just a different onset of the voice. You'll need a country dialect. I mean, you can fake one, or you could just live in the deep south. I don't know. Do something. Figure it out. And you have to have basic knowledge of runs. You know, you gotta have at least a solid 2 or 3 note run in there every now and then, you know, spice it up. R&B, on the other hand, you need an intermediate understanding of runs. That's anywhere from a 2 to 3 note run, from a 4 to a 5 note run. You need to have an understanding of breath support specifically for volume control. That means you need to have enough breath support to be able to control your volume. You also need to understand different placements of the voice. There's falsetto, which is a more aspirated or airy type of high-pitched voice. There's head voice, which is a more full and bigger version of, I guess you could say, falsetto. Normally, oftentimes, they try to separate falsetto and head voice into falsetto being the male's higher register and head voice being the female's higher register, but that's just, we'll talk about it, but everybody's capable of both. You need to have enough breath support to do a aspirated chest voice or an airy chest voice for different types of effects you want to add into your songs. The last one is a more aspirated falsetto, so more air coming from the falsetto, which is just another type of sound you can add to your arsenal whenever you're singing R&B. Each genre is different and will require different technical skills to prove proficient in the genre. We will also deep dive more into vocal pedagogy to help solidify information on mastery of the voice. All in all, I have about 25 episodes planned for this series. In my head, the whole series is about 1 hour and 10 minutes. If you follow this course and practice the techniques given, you will see improvement in your vocal technique. I want to thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoy the series. And Martin Private Studio has a slogan that says it takes time, effort, and patience to be great. I hope you guys are ready for a show, because I'll see you at the next video.